So first of all, to display the fields that are needed for me, that's the first task. I'm going to click here, uncheck everything, then come to order, service order, order type. I don't need order type because they're all SM02, so I don't want that. Entered by created, that's not needed for me. I need the plant, and after that I don't want anything. Okay, and all of this information, I do not want any of this information. Okay, I keep going, and this is what I need. Work breakdown structure element. Why do I need that? I'm going to explain you later. I need sales order. Okay, then why do I need sales order? I'll explain you later. Okay, then main work center. I need main work center. Okay, then after that I'm going to say copy. The moment I say copy, you're not going to see unwanted columns, the vertical columns. Okay, you see. So from this 140, I eliminated all the fields which are not needed for my current business scenario, which I'm going to share with you. Okay, I'm going to scroll down all the way because I'm looking for work breakdown structure number. Unfortunately, I could not get even a single order which has got work breakdown structure. Okay, that's really unfortunate, but I don't have anything. Okay, since I do not have anything, what I would like to switch now is I'm going to switch from 1200 plant to 3200. The reason 1200 plant is part of Germany, whereas 3200 is part of United States. So I'm going to pick the last one, or the last but one, double click to get the number. What is this number? Service order number. Control C and go to your screen, type SM02 order type, and the order is Control V. Okay, so from here I'm going to circle back and going to find out a organization structure, B master data. Okay, so organization structure starts with company code. Company code is the highest entity, highest organizational element. Company code is a legal entity. So for this particular given service order, we will find out what would be the company code, sales organization, distribution channel, division, plant, storage location, warehouse. Okay, so service processing, service order, display, IW33. Put your number there, enter. So what are you looking for? You are looking for organization data. So where do you see that data? Click on Control tab. Over here, look for company code. I don't have company code here. So let's go to the location. Okay, you have here. So you have sales organization, distribution channel, division, company code, business area, controlling area, and the plant. Plant is 3,200, right? So I'm going to copy this information because this is what I'm looking for. Control Y. Control Y is going to give you this plus. Highlight the information what you want to copy. Control C. Go back to your document. Here, Control V. So you have a company code which is 3,000, correct? Sales organization 3,200, distribution channel 14, division, okay, business area, so business area is 8,000 is the business area, and the controlling area, finance and controlling. Controlling comes here. Controlling area is come under controlling module, finance and controlling. You guys must have heard about that, right? FICO, people say FICO, but FICO is nothing but your controlling area, CO. Okay, so the business area and all of this, you can say they come under sales and distribution. Okay, so we'll see where we can put some colors. Color. This must be color, yeah. So this is the color. Okay, so sales and distribution will keep a different color. Okay, and this is finance, right? And we can remove all this information now. We don't need that. Okay, then next would be the plant. Plant we already know 3,200. Okay, then storage location, we'll find out, and warehouse, we'll find out. Correct? So within this organization structure, we found all this information, and let's go and try to see if we have any more data. 3,200 is the plant, and you have a service notification to Control C, and we'll put the service so order type is, and this one is service order, correct? Then we have notification. The notification is control here. So order type is SM02. Very good. I think we got some good information now. Okay. As part of our investigation here is a find out enterprise structure. B, find out master data. So what is the master data now? The master data is customer, who is your customer? 3028. That's your customer. So you got customer or sold to is 3028, and your maintenance work center is also master data work center. PC serve is maintenance work center. Okay, what else you can get from here as far as your master data is concerned? Equipment, you see, you also have equipment. Okay, equipment is master data again. What else we have? R 3100. It looks like that's a item or the spare part or the material. Okay, so I'm just guessing. Okay, so we'll find out later. So order address. Okay, now let's go to operations. And within operations, you have work center, which we already have, and the components. Let's go to the components. We have no components. Cast, partners, 3028. Equipment, additional data. Additional data has got the company code, business area, controlling area, person responsible, profit center, functional area, all of this, which is really again good. It's a good information. Okay, so with this, what I would like to do is I'll go back and try to use this information what I got and build a business scenario. Okay, so let's go and build a business scenario. Let's go to first a notification, because we have that information. We have a notification, we have an order. So there is an order, service order with reference to notification, correct? Okay, so the next thing would be, first of all, we'll take a look at service agreements. Let's go to service agreements. which are nothing but contracts. Within that you have inquiry, quotation, contract. Okay, so let's say there is an inquiry, and let's create an inquiry in the customer service. In the customer service, we are creating an inquiry. Go to drop down, and this is a custom inquiry. Okay, so if you click, okay, that's it. We just have only one. Click on that. So the next thing what I would like to do is, for your convenience, I'm also going to take this screenshot CS business scenario. Inquiry to cash. So we started the first one, which is inquiry. Control V. Okay, and the transaction is VA11. Okay, those of you, VA11 is the transaction. Okay, then go to this screen and say that you want to create, let's create without any reference. Okay, so just hit enter. So it's going to go here, and we already have sold party 3028. Hit enter and see, is that going to work or not? Okay, so it's working. And the next one would be, you need to have either an equipment or a product or a material or an equipment. Okay, so we will select that from sales organization 3000. Is it 3000? I don't remember. No, 3020 1400 3020. So let's go and put 3020 14 distribution channel and enter. So that's going to bring the materials that are existing at this particular area. So it's very important, otherwise you end up in issues, because it's going to say that I do not have. It's going to say this doesn't exist. So we don't want to get into that kind of problems. Okay, so I'm going to select R. That's the material. Okay, so what would be for the inquiry, what would be your target quantity? So let's put some 20. Okay, and try to hit enter and see what happens. It is saying there is no item category available for this particular material or for this particular Okay. The table blah 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 is no item category could be determined for the combination of ZI01 ZATP. Okay. Since we are using the custom inquiry type, so this is not available. Okay. So let's see what else we can use. 3020 distribution channel 14, enter. So we tried with all these R series, so there is no okay, spring CP that's a component. Okay, just to give you an idea with if I forget. Okay, so this inquiry is going to be valid from today to an year. It's going to be valid from this date to this date. Okay, so what is that? I'm going to say valid. I'm going to say the price I'm quoting here, $6. That's going to be valid from today to another year. Okay, remember that. So now edit in complete log. Document is complete. Click on schedule lines if you want to. Save. Very good. We have an inquiry now. So this is created. Step 1 is over. Then step 2, the transaction number 2. The next transaction, once my inquiry is over, I'm going to create a quotation. Create quotation. We'll take ZQT1. I do not know whether it is going to work or not because it's a custom one. So we'll take a reference of inquiry. So we can take a reference of inquiry and try to copy. Okay, we'll see whether we can do this, whether we can copy. If we cannot copy, then we'll create. Yeah, I could copy, so there's no issue. And the quote I'm going to give is again valid from today to another year. Correct? Enter. And what is the quantity? 1. And what is that you are guaranteeing from this period to this period? Go to item conditions. The price I'm giving you is $6. That's going to be valid from today to another year. So go ahead, edit incomplete log, save it. So you have a quotation now. Okay, that's good. Then let's go to the next step. The next step would be inquiry is over, quote is over. Now let's go to a contract and we'll create a contract. Okay, so let's take the similar one, SP contract. And can we create SP contract with reference to a quotation? We'll see. So what we are trying to create is a contract. That contract is connected with a quotation, and we'll try to copy and see. Okay, there are some errors, but it could come all the way here even though we have some errors. Okay, so we'll see the error log. How do I see? Go to log, edit log, yeah, no, where is the log? See log, go to edit, display, no, I don't know where to see this. Okay. So we could not copy the material. So let's go and get this material number. I think some CP or something, right? CP dash something. CP dash 0040. CP dash CP dash 0040. So there is no item category for this. Oh, that's the reason. Okay. Do you want to save your data? No. Okay. Now let's go and change that to SC contract. Create with reference. We are creating with reference to quotation, which is this. Enter. Copying is not allowed. Okay. So let's not copy them. Create contract. That's the sold to party. This is the component. Show me the list. So you have already an open contract. Copy that. Okay. You cannot copy them because both are two different order types. Okay, didn't copy. Okay, no problem. Enter. And the date from edit in completion log. Document is complete. Save it. So we created a service contract now. Okay. So inquiry has been created. Then quotation has been created. Then service and maintenance has been created. Right? Third step. Correct? Now fourth step. We'll see the fourth step. Okay. Service contract is created. Now in the service processing, go to another, repair. You got a repair request now. Repair request order type is RA. Customer. Okay. You got a repair request. Edit. Incomplete log. Document is complete. So you got a repair request. So for this repair request, you have to respond. So with this repair request, you create a notification. You already got a repair request, so go and create a notification. This notification is going to be service request, repair service request. So use IW56 sold to party 3028, and we don't know the function location, but we know the equipment, I guess. The equipment number, if I'm not put somewhere the equipment. Okay, this is the equipment. Control C. Type, enter. Okay, then the next thing would be okay. So you have a service notification. From the service notification, create a service order. Then from here, operations. Just have only, you can have, let's have one operation. 8 hours work. Okay. Then only one operation. Operation 1. Operation 2. Operation 2 is only 4 hours. Okay, components. Oh, this is the fundamental plant. Just use CP dash 0040. Okay, this is right. Just leave it. Okay, we are not putting any components, so that's okay because we don't have proper data. Cost, partners, object, okay, location, panel, widget. The next thing would be to ATP check, calculate the cost, schedule it, release, save. Okay, you have two things in one shot. One is notification, the other one audit. Control B. Very good. Next, so notification is over. Let's go to the confirmation, entry, time ticket, individual time. So that's the number 0010. We have two operations. This is the first operation. 8 hours. Very good. Save it. Done. We have one more operation, 0020. This was 4 hours. So confirmations are saved. Control C. Okay. So this is the business scenario from starting from inquiry all the way to okay. So these are the business process steps. Okay. So the scenario is inquiry to repair. So you started from inquiry all the way to repair. Okay, so go ahead and save it. Hopefully it is saved. Yep, you see this? Okay, we are done. Since it is saved, we can close it. Leave this place. This page, yes. So it is already uploaded. This way, this is a different way. Okay, let me stop the